I don't know one. I know two. Wait. My Hero Academia. Yeah. Told you. Funny. I don't know. I don't know 1, 2. I don't know 3. I don't know 4. No, I've not seen this one maybe. Yeah. Full mental health. I have not seen. If I had seen, I would know. Okay. 1. I don't know. 2. I've seen. Okay. I've seen. Dan. Yes. In time, man. In time. By the second character, I got the Blue Lock. Just by the first one. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Blue Lock. This one's easy, okay. I know all characters on Blue Lock. Okay, maybe not all. Most of them. Attack on Titan! Just by their outfit and their art of character. I instantly got to know. Sasageo Shinzo Sasageo. Okay, let's go. No idea. Mob Psycho or something? Yes. I got it in the third one. That was kind of resembling the art style I got remembered to that. 1, I don't know. 2, I don't know. 3, probably 4. I have not seen this one, but I kind of, yeah. It was going on in my head. The Hunter maybe? But I have not seen that one. 1, no idea. 2, 3, not seen, but Bungo Stray Dogs. The main character, the fourth one, the character I knew, but I have not seen the anime. I'm guessing good, man. 1, no idea. 2, Death Parade? Nah, not Death Parade. Something else, it is something else. Fire Force, yeah. I haven't seen. 1, no idea. It is hard. No idea, have not seen. Yup. Blue Exorcist. I was gonna see it, but it's on a hold. I've seen Tokyo Revengers, from the first one I saw. Because I remember this guy. Yeah, it's a good anime. It's very close to F tier. Come on. 1, 2, yep, JJK. There we go. I got it from the second one. That reminded me of, I don't know the character's name. 1, okay. 2, no idea. Haven't seen, I guess. Noragami, not seen. Haikyuu? Yup. From the second one I remembered. They had a battle with them. That's why I remember them. This Karasuno. First, second, no idea. Third, Fourth, no idea. Haven't seen. So little. The art style. No idea. One Piece maybe? Yeah. The art style. I remembered from that. No idea. Probably I have not seen this one. Yeah, not seen. Banana Fish. These ones are popular, is it? Let's go. No idea. Okay, might have seen. Black Clover. Yeah. From that guy, the second one, and I was confused on the second one. But then on the third one, that was the captain, Taicho or something. And that is when I remembered. 1, 2, no idea. 3, might have seen. No, not. Remembered some other anime. No idea. Nope. The Chainsaw Man from that third one. Yep. See, Chainsaw Man, I need to rewatch it because I think I was not interested in it that much when I was watching it. Maybe after rewatching it, I might remember. No, not this one. I don't know. 1 could have, Demon Slayer, yeah. On the first one, I was confused. I didn't remember who it was, but on the second one, with that scar and the hairstyle, I just remembered quickly. Give me the name. One Punch Man, yeah. From the first one, I remembered, but I was not getting the name of the anime. Yeah. 1, 2. Did I see this one? Nah. The fourth character was resembling someone else. I've seen this one. Yeah, Death Note? Yes. From the first guy. He was in the team with them in the police, right? That's why I remembered him. The troublemaker he was. This one Anya, Spy Family. Yeah. I was doing Anya. What the hell is Anya? Just tell Spy Family. That Aliganto guy, huh? Nah, not seen. No, I have actually not seen, but I have. From the fourth one, I knew it was RE0. So slow. 1, 2. Okay, no idea. Okay. Yes. Windbreaker. Yes. Right on point. Damn, just barely in time. From the fourth one, I remember, and the third one as well. 1, 2. No idea. 3. Come on. I know. Yes. Main character I knew. The fourth one I knew. What is it? Second. Not seen. The case study of Vandas. Naruto! Ramen Ichiraku. Ramen. All time favorite ramen. Too good, man. I just know that Jojo from the art style. Yeah. I just know that ramen guys face too well, man. Yeah, Jojo. The art style got me. Might have seen. Art style is resembling. Nah, not seen. Gintama. Art style resembled to another anime, the Rurouni Kenshin, and it's called. Nope. Wait, Edgepunk, Cyber. Yeah, Cyberpunk Edge. I was gonna say Edgepunk, but come on. No idea. Sailor Moon? Nah, that moon was on the forehead of the third. I'm just hard guessing. 1. Okay. Could be. Could have seen. Nah, not seen. From the fourth guy, I was sure that I have not seen this one. What the fuck is that? Dragon Ball Z, right? Dragon Ball franchise. Super. Whatever the sequence is, I just knew it was Dragon Ball. No, not seen, I guess. Black Butler. Vinland Saga. Yup, Vinland Saga. Just from the art style of the first guy, I remembered. I've recently watched this. Boy. No idea. Wait, there were points I was supposed to count? I didn't even notice. This is that Dr. Stone. It was easy. That guy is very, differentiable from the other anime. So yeah, art style. What is this? No idea. Not seen. Fate 0. How many zeros are there? Not seen, right? Yup, not seen. Reincarnated as a slime. What the fuck? This is that Bleach, right? I'm just watching Bleach, so I remember the first time. I'm only on the starting episodes, okay? Maybe right now I'm on 8 episodes. I remember Classroom of the Elite, yep. From his hair color in the first guy's hair color and the eyes color. I remembered right from that moment. I've seen Solo Leveling, right? The first guy resembles because he was the one who abandoned our guy. Yeah. It's too good to forget. Okay, I don't know this one. Hunter Hunter? Nah. What am I thinking? I haven't even watched either of them. What am I guessing? Okay, here we go. No idea. So far, no idea. Okay, not seen. Yuri. Oh, nice. Ice skating anime, huh? I'm not sure if I'm gonna watch that. Art style. I've seen, okay. I've seen maybe. Yep. I've seen a little bit of it. Can't remember the name yet. No, not seen. Come on. Akame something? Nah, Code Geass, what am I saying? The art style seemed familiar. Style seemed like that to me. Okay, I don't know about this one. No idea. Maki. Again Magi. There we go. Go Tokyo Ghoul. Yes. I remember this scene I just remember this scene. I remember Tokyo Ghoul season 1 point to point. It was my first anime, man. I have watched it a lot of times. Not sure about this one. Psychopath? Maybe? Not Psychopath. I thought the third character feels familiar to Psychopath. Wait. Marshall. Those signs. Why is everyone making the signs? Hey yo, are the music copyrighted? Not sure. Nah, haven't seen. Psychopath. There we go. Nice. Psychic. Are they different? I don't know. 1, 2, no idea for now. Might have seen. Yep, I've seen. Orimiya? Yeah. Yep. Okay, first, second. Nah, this anime art style I have not seen. The Promised Neverland. There's a Vinland Saga and there's the Promised Neverland. How many lands are there? Not sure. Okay, not seen this one. Familiar. What is that monster? Okay, Baki? Maybe? Yeah. With that physique, you can easily guess just from the first one. I've seen Baki a little bit. First season a little bit, not all. Not the whole series. 1, 2. No, not seen. Evangelion. 1, 2. Okay, maybe I've seen. Could be. Yeah, Komi can't communicate, right? Yeah. The second guy gave me the resemblance from something like that, and by the fourth character I remembered. First, second, no idea. Okay, I have not seen this anime style. Not seen. I'm saying, yeah. 1, 2. I've seen SAO, SOA, what was it? Sword Art Online. Yeah, SAO. I've recently seen this one. Hell's Paradise I was supposed to watch, but I haven't watched it yet. 1, 2, not sure. Third. Okay. Maybe. No. Characters were resembling other. Maybe. Nope. No idea. I have not seen this one. Anyway, if you enjoyed, make sure you hit the like and subscribe the channel. And do let me know how many did you get it right. Anyway, that is it for this video. I'll take my leave.